This is the Miracle Mile Shops. It's about 300,000 square foot. We re-roofed. We did a roof overlay of an existing 4-ply built-up roof with a 1/2-inch board and 60 mil min PVC. John's Manville is great to work with. My sales rep Dustin is really great to work with, and anytime I have questions, technical helps me out right away. As you can see from this project, there's a lot of penetrations. It's a really hard technical roof. JM's PVC is really easy to work with, and the guys have to get under units, do a lot of really tough detail work, and we're happy to partner with John's Manville on this project.